Hey there, space enthusiasts! Ever wondered what happens when two neutron stars collide? Buckle up, because today, we're diving into one of the most cataclysmic events in the universe, the cosmic clash of neutron stars. Imagine two of the densest objects in the universe, each just a few miles across but packing more mass than our sun, drifting closer and closer together. These neutron stars have been dancing a gravitational tango for millions of years. As they spiral inward, their speed increases, and this cosmic ballet reaches a climax that would make even the most thrilling blockbuster seem tame. When they finally collide, the energy released is mind-boggling. Think of it as a cosmic fireworks show, but instead of sparks and colors, we're talking about the release of pure energy, gravitational waves, and incredible bursts of gamma rays. That's right, these collisions produce gamma ray bursts, some of the most energetic explosions in the universe. But what's really happening here? As the neutron stars crash into each other, their outer layers are ripped apart, forming a swirling maelstrom of incredibly hot matter. This is where things get truly fascinating. The intense pressure and temperatures forge elements heavier than iron, like gold and platinum, right there in the chaos of the collision. So next time you admire your jewelry, remember, it might have been born in the heart of such a collision. Now let's talk about the aftermath. The debris from the collision can form a hot, dense object called a hypermassive neutron star, but it doesn't last long. In just a fraction of a second, it might collapse into a black hole, devouring the surrounding material and creating an accretion disk that emits powerful jets of radiation. It's like the universe's way of cleaning up the mess it just made. These events are not just spectacular, they're also a gold mine, pun intended, for astronomers. The gravitational waves produced by such collisions were first detected in 2017, opening a new window into understanding the universe. Observing these waves helps scientists test the limits of physics, explore the behavior of matter under extreme conditions, and even understand the origins of the elements that make up our world. So, why should you care about neutron star collisions? Because they're a reminder of how interconnected everything in the universe is. From the stars in the sky to the gold in your ring, these cosmic events shape the very fabric of our existence. Plus, they're a testament to the power and beauty of the cosmos, showing us that even in the darkest reaches of space, there's a spectacular dance of creation and destruction. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more space adventures.